Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a beautiful princess named Snow White. Her skin was as white as snow, her lips as red as blood, and her hair as black as ebony. Snow White had a kind heart and a gentle spirit that made everyone love her. However, her wicked stepmother, the queen, was very jealous of Snow White's beauty. Every day, she would ask her magic mirror, "Mirror, mirror, on the wall, who is the fairest of them all?" The mirror would always reply, "You, my queen, are fair, it's true. But Snow White is even fairer than you." This made the queen furious, and she devised a wicked plan to get rid of her stepdaughter. She ordered a huntsman to take Snow White into the forest and bring back her heart as proof of her death. The huntsman, unable to harm the innocent princess, spared her life and left her alone in the forest. Scared and lost, Snow White wandered deeper into the woods until she stumbled upon a quaint little cottage. Inside, she found 7 tiny beds that belonged to the 7 dwarfs: Doc, Grumpy, Happy, Sleepy, Bashful, Sneezy, and Dopey. They kindly welcomed Snow White, allowing her to stay with them if she would cook and clean for their friendly household. Snow White found happiness living with the dwarfs, and they grew to love her as their dear friend. They warned her against the dangers of the forest and the wicked queen. Meanwhile, the queen, upon learning that Snow White still lived, disguised herself as an old peddler woman and offered Snow White a poisoned apple. Having been warned by the dwarfs, Snow White was cautious, but in a moment of pity, she accepted the apple and took a bite. Alas, she fell deep into a slumber, as if lifeless. When the 7 dwarfs returned home, they were heartbroken to find Snow White unmoving. Believing her to be gone forever, they laid her to rest in a glass coffin in the forest, adorned with flowers as a tribute to her beauty and kindness. One day, a prince, who had heard tales of the beautiful maiden in the glass coffin, came across Snow White. Filled with sorrow and admiration, he gently kissed her, breaking the spell. Snow White opened her eyes and saw her prince smiling down at her. Joy and celebration filled the forest as the dwarfs, animals, and all good-hearted creatures hailed the reunion of Snow White and her prince. They rode away to the prince's castle to live happily ever after, while the wicked queen met her demise and was never seen again. And so, Snow White and her friends cherished their newfound joy, knowing that kindness and love would always conquer evil.